Hey everybody from the Ender Minecart. Well, this is Austin from the Ender Minecart. Sorry I messed up on the production. This is my first time at the Ender Minecart. And we are going to be doing my house today. Hey Mittens, come on. Yeah, good Mittens. So we are going to first go to my living room and I'm going to show this off. Because we are actually going to do almost every video in here. TV that does not turn on and off. I have movies in here. I have stuff that I sell. You know, don't want to go outside. That'll be an other video. I have a computer. Here's my hallway, my beautiful hallway. My room, you probably saw when we came in. Bathroom, yeah. Working sink. My secret room. I put paintings there. It disappeared. I might do the paintings again. And there's only pretty much one more thing to show. A backyard. I might show a little bit more because I don't want this to be a short video. Yeah. No dogs over there in the kennel. So we are now venturing outside. And the one thing I really want to show is Busch Gardens over there. So I am just going to fly over there very quick, and I'll get back to you when I get there. Everybody, I am now at Busch Gardens to pick up to welcome all of us. Hi, Piggy. So first I want to show you is Air Rover. That one's not complete, so that's why I'm not showing it to you. This one's a very simple ride. I'm doing this 5 for all of you. Oh, here we go. Yeah, sometimes I have to do this because it doesn't work. So wait until the power rail comes up. There we go. And then we're going to fall. And then the rest of the ride just needs normal rails. And then we're done. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this cart. And I'm going to move on to the one and only Scorpion. Let's actually call it Claus because I didn't know how to spell Scorpion by then. But now I do. But I'm going to start it off. It's F5! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, everybody. This is the Claus. Pretty normal. And that is Claus. But sadly, we have run out of time for this video. And I will hope I'll see you all again next time. Goodbye! Watch this. Or this. Oh yeah, or